Here's a feel-good story for your Friday. For those working on the front line, doctors, nurses, firefighters, 2020 has been a tough year. Long days, endless time away from their families. Well, a group of Adelaide school children wanted to help. They decided to create a special teddy bear which records messages from first responders to their families. So we're joined now by Macy from Hatfield High with her two buddies and Tegan Gilchrist from the Academy for Enterpising Girls who are supporting their business. Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
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 Macy, we're going to start with you. You've called these bears Nuture Bears. So tell us about how you came up with the idea and how they work.
So our product, the Nuture Bear, is a teddy bear which has a technology inside of it which acts like a voicemail. You can connect to this technology inside your bear via our Nuture Bear app on your tablet.
Great idea. And you're there with your teammates Harli and Anabel too. I wanted to give them a shout out, and I like the masks as well. Tegan, these girls came up with the idea while taking part in a workshop with your program. So what was this workshop and how did this idea come about?
Absolutely. The Academy for Enterpising Girls is a national program. It's an e-learning platform and website and workshops across the country where we're teaching girls the skills to be the next generation of innovators, entrepreneurs and job makers. The program that Harli and Macy and Anabel participated in really focused on how to teach the girls design thinking skills to look at problem solving by empathising with a problem that they can see in the community. And with the year that we've had with bushfires and COVID, you can see that they've designed an excellent solution here to come up with their own business to help our frontline workers.
Yeah, they sure have. I mean, Macy, before COVID hit, there were the fires, and in your school, you know, it was an area devastated by the fires. Quite a few of the students lost their homes. Is that what, first of all, sparked the idea to create these bears?
Yeah, we're living up in the Adelaide Hills. We're such a close community. We've known very many families who have lost everything, and now that COVID has hit, we wanted to find a solution for families suffering with separation from others.
Great ideas. And Tegan, this program is free for girls at home. How can people get involved?
Jump on our website, enterprisinggirls.com.au. You can do the e-learning modules anytime and have a business in under a day. And if you're a teacher, you can jump online and get your school on the wait list for a workshop so we can bring the program through our partners, Young Change Agents and Tech Girls Movements to your school and have your kids come up with brilliant ideas just like Anabel and Macy and Harli.
Fantastic. Thank you, all of you, and well done, Adelaide, for representing. Thanks, ladies.
Thanks, everyone.
Thank you.
Bye, girls.